We're now going to show you, give you some of the technical information that's kind of like behind the UI. So you'll know how to actually customize stuff on your own, write your own tools, get your own workflows and tools that you already have to work within this system. And also just for the sake of kind of knowing what's going on so you can actually delete stuff. Because as you're aware, or maybe not aware, there is no real way to delete stuff once you've made it. That's a safeguard. But let's be honest, people make mistakes, and there's going to be a misnamed asset at one point. So I'm going to show you first the directory structure. This is the directory structure for the UI. I don't know if you recall, but we created the My Projects Plumber directory when we first installed the program. You're told to say, where's the repository going to be? We said My Projects, and it creates a Plumber directory underneath that, and then underneath that Plumber directory we've got each show. So if you wanted to delete a show completely, all you need to do is click on it in your browser, and boom, it's gone. That top directory, it's now gone. But let's use the demo thing. And once you actually get into the show, it's split into 3 areas. It's split into prod, assets, and data. Prod, lack of anything else, is kind of more related to anything you're going to be doing in shots, whereas the assets area is related to the assets library. Data is stuff that Plumber needs, and that's also one way you can configure stuff. Is in here, but we'll go to that in a moment. So you'll see under assets there's data, which is currently just a placeholder. There will be things that no doubt will be used there, and then there's lib. Underneath lib you have a directory set up for each one of your types. So if you decide that you don't want a type, or you want to back up a type, whatever, you just click it and delete it, and it'll never show up here. And inside each type, that's where you'll have your assets directory. You create an asset by mistake, like let's say we accidentally create the snow van by mistake. All you have to do is delete it, and now it's not going to show up anymore. It's gone. All the files associated with assets are actually underneath their asset name. We've got prod. So in prod we have edit, which is currently a placeholder for stuff related to editorial. Anyway, so in the poselib is the directory that actually is used by Posemaster. And then there's seeks. Seeks is of course related to the sequences here. So we've got our file set up, and under our sequence we've got our shots. And under our shot number we have the different departments set up.